Assalam or Alaikum students. One sunny day, Alia and Saad were playing in the school garden with their puppy, Bobby. While running around, Bobby accidentally knocked over a bucket, mixing dirt with water. The water became muddy and dirty. Alia looked carefully at the muddy water and suddenly got an idea. Let's go to the science lab and perform an experiment, she said excitedly. Alia carried the bucket and walked to the school's science laboratory. The lab was bright and well organized, filled with beakers, test tubes, funnels, microscopes, and other scientific equipment. Colorful science charts decorated the walls, making it a perfect place for learning and experiments. Alia placed a funnel over a beaker and carefully inserted a piece of filter paper into the funnel. Then, she slowly poured the muddy water into it. As the water passed through the filter paper, something amazing happened. The dirt and sand particles stayed on the filter paper, while the cleaner water flowed into the beaker below. Wow! Exclaimed Saedi. The water looks much cleaner now. Alia smiled and explained. This process is called filtration. Filtration is used to separate insoluble solid particles from a liquid. So, students, what did we learn today? Filtration is a method used to separate solid particles from liquids by passing the mixture through a filter. It is commonly used in water purification and many everyday activities. Thank you for watching and keep exploring the wonderful world of science.